What's up YouTube? It is Damo here, and today I'm gonna do a quick sound test of the LG Vista. And this is just amazing phone. I had it for 6 months now. I got it a few days before Christmas last year, and it is just an incredible phone. It has not disappointed me. I have not had any issues with the phone. The battery life, it's incredible. I put a 64 gigabyte Samsung SD card in the phone, put some music on there, and it's incredible. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the stuff that's on my music folder. You know what? I'm gonna go to Apple Music. And a lot of people are so concerned about copyright when it comes to playing music on YouTube, making a video and having music in the background, but you know what? I don't care about copyright. I mean, I do care, but for the heck of it, I'm gonna play one of my favorite songs. This can be kind of hard to do with one hand. I'm gonna type with one hand, so give me some time here. Let's see. It's taking me a while here. Here we go. I'm pretty sure all of you know what I'm typing. So I'm gonna look for a song by Skrillex. Look for a song here. Let's go with this one. I'm gonna turn this phone up so you can hear the sound test of the LG Vista. Turn this up.
Playlist by Apple Music Dance. Apple Music.
I'm not gonna put it by the phone because it's gonna be too distorted, especially if any of you wear earphones. So it's pretty loud for a phone. It's awfully loud. It's pretty loud. Speaker on the back of the phone. So this must be the first video of the sound test of the LG Vista, which is a phone that came out in 2014. But even though this phone is almost 2 years old, it's still a good phone. Only had it for 6 months, like I said. Did it have any problems with the battery or nothing? It's still good. It's running smoothly. I just use it for everyday tasks such as surfing YouTube and Google Chrome and all that good stuff. So it's not a bad phone. It's a good phone. So if any of you like prepaid phones, check out the LG Vista. Highly recommend it. This is Damo here, and this is a quick sound test of the LG Vista. If you like this video, please subscribe for more future content.